Oh, we on the celebrate party. Come on, y'all want to party with me? Let's go. Welcome everybody to Vacay Mode Happy Hour Friday. Here we go, coming with you with the next Carnival Cruise drink, one of the public's favorite, Miami Vice. Let's get into the video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with the latest drinks. Stay tuned in to the end so you can see how we split the drinks. We're gonna make the Pina Colada first, so we're just gonna definitely need our rum, as well as we're gonna definitely need our Pina Colada mix, which is we're gonna start blending first. And don't forget, we're gonna have a measuring cup and some ice, and as well as we're gonna have a cup. You're definitely gonna have to have a tropical cup to start this drink. So let's get into it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is get in there, add some ice. All right, that's about a cup or two of ice. You know, say good blend. You know, all right. Let's open it up. Just pour it on in. I know it looks like a little bit, but hey, it slides right in. You know, so now, you know, all you gotta do is, you know, put in your rum. So, you know what I'm saying? So all you need next is now a half cup of rum. So you can get any type of rum you would like and put it in next. And after that, you just gotta get it to just blending, and that's all it is. Make sure you blend till smooth, and after you're done, make sure you put the Pina Colada in a cup, and we're gonna move over to the strawberry daiquiri recipe. You know what I'm saying? The BACARDI daiquiri that they have is called Rum Runner. So if y'all wondering, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Well, I don't see it. It's called Rum Runner, you know, for the strawberry daiquiri. So, you know, it's pretty good. Let's get into it. So all you need is rum. You need the rum runner, the mixer, a glass, and some ice. So you need about 4 to 5 cups of ice. Let's get into it. So, all right, we're gonna put the ice in first. Let's get the ice in. Oh, and if I didn't mention it, get a good blender. You know what I'm saying? Don't get no crappy blender. You know, this right here, this Ninja, is off the hook. This bad boy got 3 blades. So let's get to it. So, all right, real simple. Y'all know how I do it. Just pop the top, baby, pop the top. See that? All you gotta do, look, simple. Look at that. It's already sweet and good. Look, you gotta shake it out, shake it out. Look, we gotta have all the juice in there. Look, it tastes sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, now let's get to the drink. A half a cup. So half of this, you know what I'm saying? Half of it in there of the BACARDI, and pour it on in there. You can also too add fruit in here as well. So you could, you know, you can do the ice, the mixture, and fruit, you know, to kick it up a notch. But right now, we're just keeping it basic. So let's get down to this blending. Great blender. All right, guys, get ready to power it up. You know how we do it. Gonna make some noise. All right, let's see what goes down. All right, so we're gonna show you how to this Miami Vice. You gotta know how to split it well. So don't forget to get a good knife, a wide one at that. You might need a helper. You know what I'm saying? If you don't need a helper, you can do it any which way, but you know, we're gonna show you how Carnival do it. Carnival does it a certain way as well. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do it how you split down straight down the middle so you can have the authentic Miami Vice. So let's get it started. All right, guys, so let's get over to it. All right, we got to straighten it up. Might be little messy, but I don't think so. We got it down packed. We got it right. You know what I'm saying? All you had to do is drop a cherry. Boop. There you go. Have a little straw. Carnival straw. You better seen the review. There you go. You know what I'm saying? Made in heaven. Miami Vice. See? Split to perfection with a cherry on top. Don't forget the straw. Alright, you guys. Let me do a sip review. Alright, guys. See that? Miami Vice, Miami Vice. Come on, Carnival. Look, you know what I'm saying? I'ma take your job. Y'all better get back to work. Look at it, let me sip on. I think I'm in heaven. I think I'm on the deck party right now. You know what I'm saying? Getting my little dance on. You know what I'm saying? Wobble wobble. We on the Circleware party. Come on, y'all wanna party with me? Let's go. It's your boy KC with another Carnival Cruise drink. See you on vacay mode. I'm already there.